Driven from one coast to another coast. From the east coast to the west coast. To see if the sea's any different. Do you want to go to the harbour or do you want to go to the... Oh, let's go straight on. So it's the front, seafront. This car park doesn't like got some vans in there. How about here? Let's go. Torquay, we've come here so we can go and get one of my boats on the marina. Mine's not too posh, mine's just that one over there.
The biggest one?
The biggest one's that thing over there.
Ah.
Mine's a bit more sporty.
Okay.
So that's mine. And then we parked here. £3.10 is the minimum. But you can pay for all day, which is like £10, 24 hours here. So,
cheap.
Yeah. Quite cheap, stuck out of the way. Easy enough to park. Yeah. So if you need to park here and get on your boat, you can come straight here. So let's go and have a tour on my boat. So we've parked up. Come out to this harbour or marina, whatever you call it, for an amazing view. I don't know if you can see it in the distance there. There's a little rocky outcrop with a little bridge over it, and it's pretty cool. And if you want, you can do some fishing on the end of it. Probably picked a really good day to have Torquay look at its best. No clouds, no rain. Picture perfect. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Enjoying swimming? Enjoying sunbathing?
Yeah. Where are we?
In the UK. Brixham.
Brixham, yeah.
Brixham Harbour. Next beach, £1.80 for an hour. So this one's Broadsands. So we're going to have a wander here. You need to be careful coming around the car park though, because if you've got a van, it probably won't fit. Mine just fit. There's a lot of people enjoying the weather. Good for them. Families are out, creating memories. So where we're at now, in the distance over there we can see the wheel, that's Torquay. Panning to your left, we get to Paignton,
yeah.
And then this one is Broadsands.
Yeah.
And then if we keep heading in this direction, you end up at
Brixham.
Which Brixham? This one's obviously very popular because it's quite a shallow bay. And you can bring your family here, you can have a paddle, and enjoy the weather. As you can see, everybody in the UK has just come to this one beach to go. And I can see why. It's lovely. If you want to take a quick 5-minute walk from Broadsands, head this way, and there's a much more quieter little beach area where people are paddle boarding, swimming and enjoying it. It's a lot quieter. It's only about a 5-minute walk. So if you come here and it's rammed and it's full of people, just turn right at the beach. If you're into your paddle sports, swimming, open sea, everything like that. Plenty of options. Oh my, Neela, do you want to go swimming? Why not? Why not, mate? We have now done Torquay and Devon. Plan is now get in the vehicle and drive to Dorset. So we're now on our way to Dorset. So far we've done Cotswolds, Cheddar Gorge, Devon, Torquay, and our next thing is Dorset.